We understand that our physical spaces need attention, a home, a room, a desk. When we bring order to them, we feel a sense of calm. Just as these outer rooms need order, our inner world, our emotions, need care. But what happens when we don't attend to our feelings? When emotions remain unattended, inner clutter increases. It can feel like a constant, low hum of anxiety, a mental fog that clouds our days, or a pile of unprocessed moments that weighs us down. The first step is simply to notice, to pause. Take a breath, inhale slowly, and exhale completely. Ground yourself in this present moment. What are you feeling right now? Don't judge it, don't try to fix it, just notice its presence. Now, let's try to name it. Is it frustration, sadness, a flicker of joy? Giving a name to a feeling takes away its overwhelming power. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. You can see what's there. This is the beginning of gently sorting through the clutter, acknowledging what needs to stay and what you can begin to let go of. Emotional order is also about creating gentle boundaries, like building a garden fence to protect what is growing. It's about cultivating small, daily habits. A moment of quiet in the morning, a walk in the afternoon, a single line in a journal. These are not grand gestures, but micro habits of care. Some days will feel messy. The clutter might return. That's okay. This practice isn't about perfection. It's about compassion. On those days, be kind to yourself. Acknowledge the setback, take a breath, and begin again, gently. As you continue this practice, you'll find that emotional order protects your clarity. The fog lifts. The constant hum softens. You create more space inside yourself for peace, for creativity, for connection. So, let's create a small piece of emotional order today. Right now, start by naming one thing that truly matters to you. Write it down. Say it aloud. Let that be your anchor. Perhaps find a simple mantra for your day. I am calm, I am clear. Repeat it. Feel it. The journey to inner order begins with a single intentional step. You have the power to begin.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.